Good morning and welcome back to the channel. Actually, it's good day, it's not morning anymore. Today we have a really simple task, finishing up the filthy star of the week, the Nissan Puke or Juke or whatever you want to call it. So, long story short, first step now, I just went around with the wash. Next step now is to go around with a clay meat or a clay bar. I'm using a clay meat, I'll show you right now. I did it on that side yesterday, but I forgot to film it as obvious. And now I'll be I'll be using this meat. It's like a clay meat. It's got clay on top of it, so the good thing about it, you can reuse it as many times as you want. Even if you drop it, you just wash it and put it back on. And I'm using just a standard car shampoo mixed with water as a clay lube. It's cheap and does the job. Right, so today we're gonna use the Rupes foam pad, heavy cut foam pad, together with a heavy cut coarse compound. I'll take 2 passes and see how it came out afterwards. My neighbors. So I'll go 2 passes with these together, and it should be fine. And obviously at the end I'll just go with a big one, and I'll use this medium cut foam wool pad together with the Uno all-in-one. This is like, well, all it is a one-step polishing compound anyway. It doesn't leave dust, and it's a polish, it's a finish, and a wax in the same product, which makes it really practical and good, especially when you have like paint is fine, you know, just go 1 pass with this, it's gonna shine like hell for a long time, which is really good and saves you time. But on this type of cars like this one, and like the Kia we had in the previous video, obviously you have to put more effort in order to make it right. I mean, most of the time it doesn't really worth doing it, but well, it just depends on everyone's standard. Alright, let's get going with the polishing, and see you guys in a bit. Right, so this time there's not so much difference, although there's like a 1 deep scratch here in the lacquer, which obviously is not gonna come out. A few scratches deep here as well, those will not come up. But let's see somehow if there is a difference. So you can see the mud here. So honestly there's not too much of a difference at all, so I'll just change plans now. I'll use just the heavy cut where I need to remove some scratches, visible ones, then I'll just use the Uno and just go around the car, all over the car with the same with that all-in-one Uno Protect, and this will save us a lot of time. Right, so what I can say, this is the worst shaped car to polish ever, especially when I'm doing on a big one, because of these shapes here and here and here and here, so it's just basically nearly impossible to do it. Really annoying though. I did have bigger plans, we did, but anyway, the paint is getting back to life, which is the most important thing. And I'll just use the all-in-one. I'll just use the DA heavy cut on this side. Maybe I'll try to pull some of this out and some of these rows here and some here. Maybe I'll try to take this ones out. Anyway, never is a good idea to polish with the sun, in full sun. The only main problem is that the product is gonna dry really fast and you don't have time to work it out. So what you can do, just do it on small portions, just like, I don't know, 2 pots each side, and then just do it like that, because if the product dries out, it's not gonna do what it's supposed to be doing, so it's just basically working for nothing. Let's get going. Word of advice: never buy a car on the dark color like this one, especially this one. That's why it's called the puke. It's fucking horrible to polish. I just fucked up my pad anyway, so I'll need a new one. So I'll just, you know what, I'll just do what I can do and just leave it. So yeah, I'll get going with the Uno and I'll be done with it. Fuck it. Right, so finally we can say it's nearly done for now. It came out pretty well, nice, shiny. Obviously still dusty, because I'll leave it till tomorrow afternoon, because I just applied the full Ruper's Uno treatment, and this one needs to stay at least 4 hours before touching it with water and stuff like that. So tomorrow I'll be dropping it off down to the workshop to do the clutch, replace the tires, and tomorrow evening, let's hope it's gonna be listed for sale. So money wise, I paid about I think it's gonna cost us about 5,500, and it's gonna retail for 6,395. Hopefully I'll be able to do it for 6,495. So the profits on this one aren't that great, but well, it's better than nothing though. So now let's visit the richest man on the estate. Just play nice, be nice with your camera. It's live. I just told everyone you're the richest man on the estate. 3 times a day, Costa. He needs a new driving license. Now have a look underneath the crusty Honda. Ain't that bad though. It isn't that bad. Really good on oil leaks, which is good. Happy days. It's better than most of the Hondas. All seems to be fine. Oi, take our shit box out from me. What's up, guys? This is our new entry for the week. Latest purchase is a Honda CRV 09 plate, 104,000 miles, EX edition, full leather, sat nav, parking sensors, reversing camera, and everything you can imagine on this car. As you can see, we went to check it underneath for rust, because they tend to make a bit of a rust from time to time. And it needs to go to an MOT, so we had to do this before sending it to the MOT, because we don't want any advisories on our cars and we want everything to be nice. I just cleaned up the wheels now. As always, I always forget to film it. Yeah, now we're gonna go with a quick wash again, clean it up, inspect the paint. It might be needing some polishing, but I think it's just gonna be just a little bit refreshed with Uno and nothing else. So yeah, all tires are good, the interior is really good condition, the leather and everything is clean, doesn't have any rips and stuff like that. Yeah, we just put a ozone machine inside, because I think the ex-owner had pets or something. It just had a lot of pet food smell inside, so we had our ozone carbon cleaning machine. I mean, it's carbon clean, but it's Prozone 16 from Carbon Clean. It seems to do the job really well for what it's supposed to be doing, so yeah, I can recommend it. It's a bit expensive though, about 300 quid. But yeah, let's get going with the wash and then to inspect the paint to see what we have to do on it. You know what? I think I'll just leave it as it is. The paint is really good condition. There's no major swirls or something like that. I think probably it's been polished out not long ago. It just shines everywhere. You just have to do there's the tires, there's the plastics. Take pictures all over it and just list it for sale. Just look at it. It's bloody amazing condition. Clean and shiny. This is what we like. Yeah, I don't have to do anything with it. I'll just apply a leather treatment and on the interior and nothing else. We did the service, we cleaned it up underneath. Just need to go to the MOT and that's it. Happy days.